Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're taking a look at the Mifo 07 Deep Bass True Wireless Earbuds. We're going to do an EBPMAN style call quality test. We'll cover all the features, so let's check them out. Now there's a lot to like about the specs here. You're looking at Bluetooth 5.0, which means that you're going to have a strong Bluetooth connection. It also means that they're low power consuming. You also have no issues when it comes to latency or syncing, especially when you're either playing video games or you're watching movies. So I've had no problems with any kind of syncs. The other thing about this Bluetooth connection is that it's paired individually, or it's connected individually to the earbuds. So you're going to be able to use each one of these earbuds independently, take them off, and continue to use the other one, which is also a great feature. We also then have the fact that they're built off of the Qualcomm chipset, which is something that is going to give you great audio, great performance. You have dual mics that are going to help you with noise canceling. So we're going to see how this works when we do our call quality test. You also have all your controls are touch key, so this means that as you, there's no physical buttons, everything is going to be as you tap, so you'll be able to control everything right there. And then you have IP67 rating, which means it's going to be safe for workouts. And if you're someone like me, when I go on a run, I sweat profusely. You don't have to worry about these at all. They could even get submerged for a very short period of time, but these are not for swimming, okay? So these are literally for workouts, and if you sweat a lot, if you do CrossFit, you have no problems there either. Now, you do get great battery life. We're talking about 4 to 5 hours per charge, and then if you do run out of power, a 10-minute charge is going to give you 1 hour. Now, inside the box, you're going to receive your true wireless earbuds, a USB-C charging cable, and you're also going to receive 6 gel tips that you'll be able to switch. Included with the one that it has installed, that's a total of 7. Now, the neat thing about this is that this true wireless earbud set is going to last you, in the case, up to 60 days without having to charge. And by the way, we talked about the battery life. You're going to be able to charge these 3 times. So this is going to give you up to 15 hours of usage per charge, so that when you plug this in and charge the case and use the earbuds, it's going to give you more than a week of usage. I've reviewed the Mifo series for quite some time now, and one of the things that this product really stands apart from many of the manufacturers in the market today is the durability and the build. The construction of the cases are far the best that I've seen. They feel substantial. When you grab these, there's some weight to it, and it feels like it's premium. The only thing that this case does not have that I wish it did is that it had wireless charging, but it has all the other great features. So you have USB-C, right? And you can see that it's compact. This is going to fit in your pocket or your purse, and it's not going to really bulge, or it's going to take up a lot of room. The case itself is, again, very well constructed, has a satisfying snap when you close, just like that. And also, your earbuds are going to be magnetically locked in place. Now, the neat thing about this too is that the earbuds are really small, and you also then have a very convenient way to stow these because of the durability of this case and the size. Now, the earbuds themselves are relatively small in size, and I prefer the smaller size. You'll notice that as you remove them, you have some contact points here that lock into the contact points in the case, and as soon as you take them out, they're going to either pair if it's the first time that you're using them, or they're going to connect, and they connect very fast. Now, you notice that each one of these earbuds has a left and right indicator, as you can see there, and then in the side here, there are really no physical buttons. Everything is all tap, and then you do see that you have those dual mics, and we're going to test them in a couple seconds to see how well they do from a call quality perspective. So if you're curious about how these look on, we're just going to go ahead and put these on for a second, and then we're going to turn to the right, and we're going to turn to the left. And I can tell you from a workout perspective, these haven't fallen out. They stay secure, and also depending on the size of your ears or your ear canal, you may need to shift the pieces, the actual gel tips themselves. I've been able to use the ones that came right out of the box, and just remember that if you do feel that one is looser than the other, you can always change just one ear tip side. They don't have to go the same size on each side, so you actually can go larger or smaller on any side. But again, this is what they'll look like when you're wearing them, and they will not fall out. Now, as we talk about the audio quality of these, and again, they are focusing on deep bass. Now, the one thing I want to be very clear about is that these are not deep bass where it's going to be thumping and it's going to overpower all of the audio that you're listening to, meaning that the mids and highs get completely drowned out. If anything, the way I see these, and this is going to be contrary to what you may hear from a lot of other reviewers, is that the bass here is more about refinement. It's about clarity. It's about higher quality bass. It's not where the bass is deeper in the sense where it's thumping. It's about the fact that it just sounds much better. So mids, I would say highs, and the bass are very, very, very clear. Love the audio signature on these. It's immersive. You can listen to all the detail of what you're listening to, and it's very, very enjoyable. And again, what I really love is that the bass, and for that matter, The bass, mids, and highs, they don't compete with each other. It's just an excellent refinement of audio. Now next we're doing a call quality test of the Mifo 07 in a quiet environment. As you can see in our decibel readings, anywhere from 20 to 23 decibels in noise. Let's go to switch. This is the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Mifo 07 true wireless earbuds in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Next, we're going to go into a noisy environment. Now next we're going to do a call quality test of the Mifo 07 true wireless earbuds in a noisy environment. And as you can see here, the decibel readings are quite different, anywhere from 40 all the way up to 78 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch and then we'll stay quiet so we can see how much noise is being canceled, and then we'll do the voice test. Now this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Mifo 07 true wireless earbuds. These are the Indigo blue version in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Again, this is what the Mifo 07 true wireless earbuds, deep bass, Indigo blue, sound like in a noisy environment. Now the Mifo 07 deep bass true wireless earbuds I think are a worthy upgrade if you have one of the previous versions. If you're looking to just dive into new true wireless earbuds, it's also something that I would consider. If you'd like to learn more about more true wireless earbuds, either headphones or true wireless earbuds, make sure you check out this playlist.